Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create Dreamy effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First of all, drag the footage into the project. Then analyze the footage to figure out which part you will use and which part you won't. Then duplicate the video layer by simply holding Alt key from your keyboard and using mouse. Then disable or turn off the visibility of the lower video layer by clicking the I button from the sequence timeline. Then go to Effects tab. Search Luma key and drag it to the upper video layer. And then, again, search Gaussian blur from Effects. And drag it to the upper video layer again. We have to use both of these effects. Then go to Effect Controls tab. Go to Luma key option. Change the value of threshold to 60 or 40%. Then go to Gaussian blur option. Change the value of blurriness to 200. Then change the blending mode to Screen from Opacity option. Then enable or turn on the visibility of the lower video layer by clicking the I button from the sequence timeline. You'll see the effects is applied. Check the footage now. The footage might seem too blurry or hazy. You might have to tweak the Luma key threshold and blurriness option a bit now. Here I'm setting the value depending on my footage. You have to do this depending your footage. So, the value might not be the same as mine. You have to change the value according to your need and footage quality and type. After finalizing this, do the final check of the footage. You may have to correct color depending on your footage. I did some color grading for my footage also. That's it. That's how create Dreamy effects in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.